Hello everyone. In this video, it will be shown how to buy ETFs on Vanguard. If you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To get started, log into your Vanguard account. Once on the home page, click on Transact, then select Buy and Sell. Enter the ticker symbol of the ETF you would like to purchase. In this example, VTI is used. After entering the symbol, click Get Quote, then select Buy. Next, choose the account where the ETF will be purchased. In this example, a Roth IRA account is selected. For the transaction type, choose Buy. Under Amount Type, select Shares if the exact number of shares is known. Alternatively, select dollars if investing a specific dollar amount. For this example, 1 share is entered. For the order type, select Market Order. Then scroll down and click Preview Order. On the preview page, Vanguard displays a summary of the order, including the ETF being purchased, the selected account, the number of shares, and the estimated cost. Review all of the information carefully to ensure everything is correct. If any changes are needed, they can be made before proceeding. Once everything has been reviewed and confirmed, click Submit Order. If a market order is selected during market hours, the order will typically be executed at the next available market price. After the order is filled, the ETF shares will appear in the selected Vanguard account, and a confirmation of the transaction will be available in the Account Activity or Transaction History section. And that's all there is to it. Purchasing an ETF on Vanguard is a straightforward process once the account is funded and the order details have been reviewed. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.